Shalom and welcome to Students of Torah. This year is entitled Hechot Shemita, the Halachot of Ozar Beit Din. So Baruch Hashem, matter of weeks, Shemita is upon us, and everyone's scrambling around. How are we going to have fruits and produce this year? So many different options. Ozar Beit Din is one fascinating one. It goes back to Tosefta 2,000 years ago. It talks about the Beit Din going ahead and overseeing the fields and sending people out and even paying them to work the fields to distribute to the people of the town. And where do we go with this Tosefta? The Rambam doesn't mention it. Some of the commentators Rambam say he doesn't mention it because he rejects this idea, while others say it's not true. He didn't mention it, but he does hold by such a phenomenon. Besides that, you have the Rosh and Rash and other Rishonim that openly embrace the Tosefta. So therefore, Chazon Ish and others say that halacha l'maisa, it can be employed where the Beis Din takes over the field. It's not mine anymore, it's the Beis Din. It's they go ahead, take over it, and they're in charge of distributing the fruits and the vegetables of the field, and people are paying for the distribution. So Tosefta went from a few thousand years ago. It wasn't applied that much over the years. 100 years ago or so, Rav Kook resurrected it. Then it was not used for a few decades that much, and then Chazon Ish brought it back to life. And Baruch Hashem, it is still done today, where the Beis Din takes over the field, and there's a whole distribution system, and that's what we're paying for, not for the fruits themselves, but for the distribution of the fruits, which do have Kedushat Shvi'it, the sanctity of the seventh year. Shalom.